Hey everybody, it's Father's Day. Chris is like, I'm gonna go for a long bike ride today. And I'm like, bro, come by and get me. So here we are, since we're gonna take a long ride. Here's his bike. Right, we all know mine's an electric bike, but mine's limited. So today, I have bungee strapped my extra battery, just in case, because I tell you what, a few minutes ago, I tried pedaling this heavy bitch without it. And that's a no bueno. No bueno from the stoplights. So, as you know, every time I head out with Chris, we always run into some kind of crazy adventure. So let's see what happens today. Let's go. We have ran into our first stumbling block of the day. The weight from this battery has unhooked my rack. I'm not sure I actually have the tools to fix that, so we'll see if we can get it going here. All right, so here's the plan. To keep this from going backwards from the weight, we've actually used the bungee cord connected to the frame to keep the battery and the weight from moving backwards. That, in turn, should keep this straight up and down. Let's see if it works. A lot of people out enjoying the lake today. And we have stopped to get some. We're gonna do that as opposed to spending $100 on lunch around here, so. This is our first time riding together with Chris and I that we have ran into snags. First, we had the issue with my little bike rack on the rear, and now we're working on his seat. Keeps wanting to lower, so he has to replace his seat post clamp. And we're here, like at Lakeshore Drive, doing it, so it's probably going to cost him 4 times the amount it would normally cost. But what are you going to do? And mine's just. I mean, mine's working. It's not pretty, but it's working, so we're good. All right, we're at 17.3 miles so far, and you can see Chicago way off there in the background. We heard there was an $86 million yacht somewhere out here. I think we just found it. Chris and I were out here at Lakeshore Drive, and we run into Aaron. Aaron has an adventure, and he's like, "Hey man, are you the one that does those YouTube videos about this bike?" And so apparently, now I was the reason he bought that one.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. I'm
are super close to the planetarium, so we're gonna hit that. We're at, I'm at 29 miles, but he rode 8 miles before he even made it to me. So he's at like 27.
37.
Yep, that's exactly what I meant, 37. So I can't do math. So let's continue to have some fun.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If I'm not a fool, here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby.
Once again, when Chris and I are out, we run into some weird stuff. Check this out. Never seen this. All right, so this is Chicago behind me now, but now we're south of it. So if you remember earlier, we were way north. Now we're way south. I have about 15% on my bike, and we've got 31.6 miles. I've been trying to use the throttle more so that I can switch this battery out. I don't want to carry it around this whole trip and not have to switch it out. So looks like that's going to happen. So at least I had a reason for carrying it. There we go. Back at it. Let's go. Yay, it is time to change the battery. For a hot second, I wasn't sure
We're in Chicago.
how if this thing was on full charge, but I got a full battery. And those are fireworks. It is Chicago, so you never know, but
We're on the south side.
the fireworks, we are on the south side. All right, let's get out of here. We are 3.3 miles away. 3.3 miles away. And how you feeling, Chris?
Terrible. Terrible.
Yeah, but at least Sandra's hooking us up. She's making us dinner, so that should be ready when we get there. And then after he eats, he gets to ride 8 miles home. I can tell you for sure this is the farthest I've ever ridden a bike, period. And testing this this bad boy out, so it was a good time. I think I'm probably not going to be taking any long trips in a while. What about you, Chris?
Nope. Done.
Until the next video. See you then.